How to delete TikTok account permanently? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok, from where you'll be able to browse various TikTok videos. So if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to switch to the account in which you want to make the change. For logging in, you can simply tap on the profile option at the right bottom corner, and from over here you will be able to see the login option. You have to simply enter your preferred credentials and you will be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface. So in order to go for further process of deleting your account, you need to first tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the top right corner. From over here, you have to go for settings and privacy. You'll be able to see the various options of settings and privacy. Among these, you have to go for account, under which there is deactivate or delete account at the button. Simply go for that. Here are two options, delete or deactivate. Deactivate is a temporary action and deleting is permanent action. Since we are going for permanent action, you have to go for delete account permanently option in the second row. Once you go for that, you'll be able to see the reasons over here. You have to select any one of them over here if you want, but if you don't want, you can also simply tap on skip option in the right upper corner. And if you want to download all of your TikTok data on your device, then you can go for request download option, from where you have to go for certain procedures and you'll be able to download your TikTok information. If you don't want, then you can simply check mark over here and you can go for continue. And here are the descriptions that your account will be deactivated first for 30 days, and after 30 days only your account and data will be permanently deleted. If you are agreed, then you can go for continue option. Finally, we are at the last step where you have to enter your password associated with your TikTok account. You have to simply tap over here and you have to enter your password. Once you are done, you have to go for delete account option and your account will be deleted permanently. So this is how you delete TikTok account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.